Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to roll options on Webull. Rolling an option involves closing an existing position and opening a new one simultaneously. This strategy allows you to adjust your strike price or expiration date. It's a common technique for managing options trades, whether you're looking to extend time or modify your price target. We'll cover the practical steps within the Webull platform. You might roll an option when you want to give a trade more time to develop, perhaps rolling out to a later expiration. Alternatively, you could roll up or down to a different strike price if your outlook on the underlying asset has changed. This flexibility helps you adapt to market movements, whether you are protecting gains or mitigating potential losses. To roll an option on Webull, first locate your existing options position. You'll find a roll function that streamlines the process of simultaneously closing your current contract and opening a new one. Carefully select your new expiration date and strike price. Always review the order summary to understand the net credit or debit for the roll before you finalize and confirm the transaction. When rolling options, always consider the net cost or credit involved, as this impacts your overall trade profitability. Remember that rolling involves closing one position and opening another, which can have tax consequences. Pay attention to market conditions, especially volatility and liquidity, when selecting your new contracts. It's wise to start with smaller positions to become comfortable with the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.